Today our topic is Current Affairs Bits Part 5. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Under the Indus Water Treaty, India has been given the exclusive right over the rivers of Dash. A. Ravi, B. Bees, C. Satluj, D. All of these. The correct option is D. All of these. India has been given the exclusive right over the rivers Ravi, Bees and Saltoj. The Indus Water Treaty is a water distribution treaty between India and Pakistan signed on September 19, 1960. Beas, Ravi, Satluj, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum are the part of Indus River systems. Which of the following books is written by Hillary Clinton? A. Living History, B. Hard Choices, D. Dear Socks, Dear Body, D. All of these. The correct option is D. All of these. Living History is a 2003 memoir by Hillary Rodham Clinton. Hard Choices is the memoir of former United States Secretary of State Hillary Rodham Clinton, published by Dear Socks, Dear Buddy, Kids Letters to the First Pets is a 1998 children's book written by First Lady of the United States Hillary Rodham Clinton. As per the Global Migration Report 2020, which country has largest diaspora? The given options are A. USA, B. China, C. India, D. Philippines. The option C is correct answer, India. As per the Global Migration Report 2020, India has the largest diaspora. Global Migration Report is released by International Organization for Migrations. Which country ranked first for the fourth consecutive time in World Press Freedom Index 2020? A. Finland, B. Norway, C. Sweden, D. Switzerland. The option B is correct answer, B. Norway. Norway ranks first for the fourth consecutive time in World Press Freedom Index 2020. Finland and Denmark hold second and third place. India ranked at 142 position with a drop of 2 ranks. Sir Creek is a disputed territory between India and Dash. The given options are A. Myanmar, B. Nepal, C. Pakistan, D. Bangladesh. The given option C is correct, Pakistan. Sir Creek is a disputed territory between India and Pakistan. Sir Creek is a 96 kilometers tidal estuary on the border of India and Pakistan. Which of the following has launched co-branded contactless credit card on RuPay platform? The given options are SBI card, B. IRCTC of Indian Railways, C. RBI, D. Both A and B. The given option D is correct, both A and B. In July 2020, IRCTC of Indian Railways and SBI Cards has launched co-branded contactless credit card on RuPay platform. It is in line with Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India and Make in India mission. The first Udaan RCS scheme has been launched in which of the following states of India on 29 July 2020? The given options are A. Meghalaya, B. Sikkim, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. The option D is correct one, Uttarakhand. On 29 July 2020, the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri flagged off the first helicopter service by Pawan Hans in Uttarakhand under the Udaan RCS scheme. Where was the Global Venture Capital Summit 2018 held? The given options are A. Mumbai, B. Pune, C. Ahmedabad, D. Goa. The given option is D is correct, Goa. The first edition of Startup India Global Venture Capital Summit was held in 2018 in Goa. Which institute has launched an innovation contest Dare to Dream 2.0 on 27th July 2020? The given options are A. ICMR, B. DRDO, C. BARC, D. Niti Aayog. The given option B is correct, DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization has launched its innovation contest Dare to Dream 2.0 on 27th July 2020. The scheme has been aimed for emerging technologies to promote the individuals and startups for innovation in defense and aerospace technologies in India. Ministry of Human Resource Development has been renamed as A. Ministry of Education Development, B. Ministry of Education, C. Ministry of Education and Culture, D. None of these. The option B, Ministry of Education, is correct answer. Ministry of Human Resource Development has been renamed as Ministry of Education. The Union Cabinet has approved the change in the name of the ministry. Who became the first Indian to win the Italian Golden Sand Art Award 2019? The given options are A. Mohan Singh, B. Meenakshi Patnaik, C. Sudarshan Patnaik, D. Rahul Rana, E. None of these. Option C. Sudarshan Patnaik is correct answer. Sudarshan Patnaik became the first Indian to win the Italian Golden Sand Art Award 2019. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Like, share, comment. Thank you.